guys, this is Shrestha and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So for today's video, I am going to talk about my top 5 favorite highlighters. I know there was a lot of time and there was a few different videos that you have seen in between my top 5 favorite series because it was the time of Pujo and I always do a Dukha Dukha series, like I always, as in like the last year I started my channel, so last year I did a Dukha Dukha series and even this year I did that. So the Pujo actually came in between, so that is why I had to do a Dukha Dukha series. So I am back with the top 5 favorites video and today is the day where I am going to talk about my favorite highlighters. So let's get started. For the first highlighter, I am going to talk about this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and this is the one. This is how it looks from outside and this is from inside. Look how big the highlighter is, like bigger than my palm, I guess. Yeah, I cannot even cover now. Yeah, I'm covering it very faintly. So yeah, this is the highlighter I love, and it is a champagne light goldish kind of a shade, and it is not that soft though, but the pigmentation, see the pigmentation, the glow it gives, oh my god. I have a full face of makeup on, I don't want to ruin it, but you cannot just help it, you know. This highlighter is everything. Like, this is an inexpensive highlighter. It is just for rupees 850, okay? And you get it everywhere. Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, Hawk Makeup, everywhere it is available. And also there are a lot of Makeup Revolution counters you can find in the malls. I guess there is one in Forum Mall in Kolkata. Rest I don't know about India, but I guess if we have it in Kolkata, then you will be having it at least in Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. So yeah, this is the one I wanted to talk about, and you see the glow. It speaks on its own behalf. I don't have to talk much. It is a very nice highlighter. It doesn't show up your pores much because there are a few highlighters which go chunky. It is not that chunky. It is not that soft, as I said, but it is not that chunky as well. And I love this product. I really love this product. So yeah, this is the first one. The next one I wanted to talk about is a cult favorite, I guess. Like, there is nobody I find on YouTube or on Instagram who doesn't rave about this highlighter. This is the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and this is in the shade, I guess, there's a shade, this is in the shade Molten Gold. There is another one in lilac color or something like that, a rosy or peachy, a lilac color. Yeah, I don't remember the shade name, but that is not for me. I don't use colorful highlighters. I only use golden or champagne or a little bit pinkish blossomy tones. So that this is how it looks from inside and from outside. And from inside it used to look quite nice, but actually the pan broke. I accidentally, just left it on my bed and I guess my dog jumped on it, so the pan broke somehow. So I had to fix it, so that is why I cannot see it, like it doesn't look that good, but it has it used to have squares, I guess, squares embossed, like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, a lot of squares embossed. So yeah, this is a pure goldeny shade, but it has a champagne shift to it, a very light champagne shift, and it is a very soft highlighter, I must say, and an inexpensive one. Like, my god, like, can you see it, guys? Like, I don't know if the camera is doing justice to these shades, but my god, it is so shimmery, so blinding. I mean, like, I love it using on the tip of my nose and also on my Cupid's bow. Like, it instantly, jazzes up your look. I love it. So yeah, this is another favorite of mine, and this is a very inexpensive one. It is just for rupees 550. Can you imagine? This is the most affordable one that I'm talking about. For 550 you get a box of gold actually, and it suits a lot of skin tone. It is purely for Indian skin tones, no matter if you are fair or you are dark or you are whitish, anything. This is very nice. Get this, like, among all these 5, if you tell me that, if you ask me which one I will suggest you the most, if you are staying in India and if you like makeup and if you use a lot of makeup and you like something that will stay on forever and also you will get the best best out of it, this is the one. This is the one you should go for, no doubt. I love it. Next one I want to talk about is the Balm Merry Luminizer. Okay, this one is something which, you know, started the whole highlighting game, I must say. Like, এটার আগে কেউ highlighter সেরকম ভাবে use করতো না. This product actually started the full flow of my highlighter, the highlighting game. It started the highlighting game, and this is the Merry Luminizer, aka the Luminizer from the Balm Cosmetics, and this is how it looks. Also, it has three sisters. One is Cindy, one is something else. I don't remember the names. I have Cindy and I have another one. I don't remember. The fourth one, the last one, which was launched last year, I guess. I don't have that. But yeah, out of these three, I use this one the most, the Merry Luminizer, and from inside, this is how it looks. You see the pure champagne shade. It is not that soft. The Maybelline one was softer than this, but you'll see why it started the whole highlighting game. You see this? Again, speaking on behalf of itself, I don't have to talk about it much. So yeah, this is one of the very first highlighters. Actually, this is not the first highlighter that came in the market, but yeah, after this was launched, people went gaga over highlighting. Like, they understood what a highlighter can do to your face. Like, I mean, highlighter is one of my favorite thing to use. Like, even if I'm not using a lot of makeup, I just highlight the inner corners, the brow bone, underneath my brow bone, a bit on my tip of the nose, on the cupid's bow, and I'm set. Like, I'll use a little bit of mascara, a little bit of lip color, and that's it. That's it for my makeup look. I don't have to use much. So yeah, and this one is, I had to get this one, and after I got it, well, I waited for a long time. Like, for a very long time, I did not buy this. Like, I did not wanted to buy this. It's not like I did not wanted to, but I wasn't sure, like, what should I do? Should I buy or should I not buy? Because at that time I was not into highlighting much, and the ones that used to come with the eyeshadow palettes, the shimmery champagne colors that used to come in the eyeshadow palettes, I used to work with that. So I was thinking that should I not? But once I got it, then the damage happened. Then all the other 157 highlighters, just an example, I have, is just because I got this one. And everybody loves this highlighter, and you know why they love this one so much. So yeah, this is why they love it so much. So yeah, I had to get it, and I am very happy with this highlighter. This doesn't go chunky on your face, and this doesn't, you know, brings out the pores. There are a lot of highlighters, as I was saying, brings out your pores, but this doesn't. So yeah, this is one of my favorite highlighter. Next up, by the way, this is for ₹1899. I know, a little pricey, but Balm Cosmetics is a little pricey, and you get that on Nykaa and also in Sephora. So yeah, it's available online, offline, both. Next, I wanted to talk about something that I wanted for a very long time. Although I did not wanted this shade, but the shade I wanted was not available, so I had to get this one. But after I got it, I'm in love with the shade as well. But when I'm showing you this highlighter, this doesn't mean I'm showing you this shade. Like, for this one, I showed you the particular shade. For this one, I don't think that they have other shades. This one has a lot of shades, as I told you, but I was talking about only this shade. This is the Merry one, the Merry Luminizer, but this one is not the shade that I want to talk about. Of course, I love this shade, but I want to talk about this range of highlighter. This is Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Pearlized Highlighter. This is in the shade Flexitarian, and you see this is also a little bit, you know, not the shape that it comes in basically, but it was broken on the way, so I had to fix it. Actually, I didn't. Beauty Horizon fixed it for me. I got this one from Beauty Horizon itself, and this one, oh my god, the way it feels, it's so soft, it's so weird. It feels like I'm touching some kind of a gelatin kind of a thing or something like that. And the pigmentation, here is the pigmentation. Like, there was another swatch, but this is the pigmentation, you see. Like, this is everything. This is everything, you guys. This is like, I should stop highlighting my face now. My full face is highlighted now. I look like a joker now, but I cannot stop. Once I start highlighting, I cannot stop. This is it with highlighters. Highlighters are my babies. I cannot live without it. And this Flexitarian is super soft and pigmented, as you can see. Not Flexitarian, I mean the Super Shock Cheek. And I would highly suggest you to get one highlighter from Colourpop if you are a makeup lover and if you love highlighting. Leave about everything. Get one of these and one of this. You just don't need anything else in your makeup stash. Trust me. Although I'm not telling you to buy it, but if you want, you can. Coming back to this Colourpop highlighter, as I said, it's soft, it's pigmented, it is not chunky. It is a little difficult to use this one because it goes because a little goes a long way, and if you go overboard with this one, it becomes very. Maybe it is because of this color, because this is such a light pinkish tone, champagne but very pinkish tone color. That is why it might look a little whitish after you use a lot of it, but other than that, it's totally completely fine and I don't have any problem. Also, this shade will suit a lot of people. Also, all the shades that I was talking about, all the highlighters I was talking about actually have very versatile shades. Everybody can use these shades. They are very versatile. They are made for Indian skin tone, so don't worry about the shades. This is a little whitish, but I am pretty sure it will go on each and every Indian skin tone. So yeah, this is for rupees. I don't know how much is this one in rupees. This is for $8, as I told you. I got it from Beauty Horizon and I paid them something that I don't remember. I searched the Google, I searched the internet, and they said that it is for $8, like their website said. So that is what I'm telling you. Please do the maths. I even don't remember how much I paid for this one. So please do the maths yourself. The last one I wanted to talk about is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. I hope all of you know what's the deal with Champagne Pop. It's everybody's favorite, every YouTuber's favorite, and this is how it looks. And the pigmentation it's not that soft like the Colourpop one, but it is soft. It has a texture like this one, the Mary Luminizer one, and this is how it looks. You see, this is a total perfect champagne shade that I want for my highlighter, that I want from my highlighter, and this is the highlighting shade that I always go for, and I love this shade. Not only in Becca but in every other highlighter I always look out for this particular shade, but it is not available in, I don't think this color I could find in any other highlighter shade as of now. Even if I have, then they do have something or the other different. Maybe they have a little bit more of a golden tint, maybe someone has a more of a chunky glitters or shimmering particles in it, but nothing like this one. Like, this is like my choice, not chef's choice, but my choice. So yeah, this is something I love. And if you ask me which one is my favorite among all of these, if it is among the drugstore one, then this has to be the Maybelline one, and if it is about the high-end ones, then I am saying for each and every product that I cannot live without it, but actually I cannot live without these highlighting shades. Like, I love highlighters, as I told you, and I use a lot of highlighters, and this is one. This doesn't go chunky. This suits a lot of skin tone, and a lot of Indian YouTubers you will follow, you will watch, they use this one. They swear by this one. Also, a lot of makeup artists, like celebrity makeup artists, even swear by this Becca highlighter, the Champagne Pop especially. I have a mini one in the shade Opal. It is also very nice. So this is something that I have always wanted for, because it was famous in all the industries, whether it's makeup industry or YouTube industry or celebrity industry or anywhere. So I wanted to get this, and when I got this finally, I was starstruck, and I love this product. I love all the products. Like, these are my babies. I cannot live without my highlighters. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you liked it. As I told you before, these are not the products that I am telling you or recommending you. These are my favorites, and I hope that you like them. It's not that you have to love them like I do, and it's not that they will work for you the same way it does for me. So please do not feel compelled to buy them. But if you want to check them out, the links are in the description box below. You can go and check them out, and I again hope that you liked it and you enjoyed it. And if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell, because that will allow you to get a notification every time I upload a new video. So yeah, that has been said, I'll leave this video right over here, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.